I get questions every week. And I had a patient that, or a reader, send me an email that said, I'm afraid of starting testosterone because I don't want to have roid rage or get aggressive. And I think that's a valid concern when we're looking at all of the stuff that in the media that they portray testosterone as. Number one, most people that are optimized by a physician under a doctor's care are not going to have roid rage, as you call it. They're not going to get aggressive. The people that typically have the aggression and the roid rage are the people who have testosterone levels that are just sky high, way higher than what most physicians will prescribe or will treat you with. So let's just kind of settle that now, put your mind at ease, that when you're under a doctor's care, that he will keep your levels of testosterone at an optimal level where you feel good, you have better energy, your libido's back to where it used to be, your fatigue and some of the other problems that you've had have pretty much been eliminated. And so working with a physician, and that's why it's important to work with somebody that you trust, because many people, I have a number of patients that have come to me and said, I tried to do it on my own. I ordered hormones and testosterone online, and it just didn't seem to work out. And they finally came to me. We optimized them. We got their levels where they've got their lives back. They've got their energy back and no more fatigue. And they feel as though that they can kind of move past that wall they hit in the gym. And so I understand your concern, but when you work with a physician or a provider, getting your hormone levels back to the normal ranges, you're not going to get the roid rage, you're not going to get some of those side effects. And if you do experience some of them, you've got a provider and a physician there that's able to help you through it and to kind of tweak some of the medication that you're on. I'm Dr. Guy Dom. Check out our website, armurmedical.com. And if you have any questions like this gentleman did, just forward them on to my email that's on the screen right now.